Vampire Facial with PRP or platelet-rich plasma is the latest treatment at About Skin. This offer includes 2 facials, super powerful antioxidant glutathione IV push, and of course, PRP microneedling procedure.
Our Vampire Facial combines microneedling with the application of hyaluronic acid serum and PRP. Our package is one of a kind because we include exfoliating and hydrating therapies before and after the PRP to make it more complete, as well as promote anti-aging from the inside out with the IV push.
So my skin feels so plump and firm. When I look in the mirror, I just see a brighter complexion. The whole entire experience was amazing. I loved it.
To find out more or for a free consultation, click the sign up button below and take advantage of this incredible offer of the PRP Vampire Facial.